Our side racks are intended to install with our rear rack. If you intend on using the side racks without our rear rack, please use the provided spacers in place of where the rear rack would normally sit. Using your 6mm Allen, remove the seat mounting bolts on both sides of the bike. Now with your 12mm socket, remove the upper foot peg mounting bolts on both sides as well. Now you can align the side racks onto the bike. Prepare the upper mount hardware as shown and install hand tight. Install lower mounting hardware. Be sure to repeat these steps for both sides of the bike. Now go back and tighten everything down. You have completed the installation. Please let us know if you have any questions. Thank you.